Welcome to the Edupedia world, virtual world, free education. My name is Suraya Sayed, Microsoft Certified Trainer. In the previous videos, I showed you how to format text in cells, such as to change font type and size, font color and style, cell borders and fill colors, align text, and so on. Now we are going to apply formatting to numbers to make the numbers easy to read and understand. By applying different number formats, you can display numbers as percentage, dates, and currencies, and so on. By default, Excel uses the general format, no specific number format for numbers. The most frequently used formatting commands are available on the Home tab in the Number group. To change a cell's format, you can use one of the buttons, such as comma, percent, or currency, which apply preset styles to the selected cells. Also, to use the increase decimal and decrease decimal commands to change the number of decimal places that are displayed. Another way to do that work, to use the drop-down list next to the number format command on the Home tab. Then select the number format you want. When you format cells, we change the appearance of a number without changing the number itself, because number formatting is attached to the cell and not to the value in the cell. For example, if you select a cell containing a number formatted with currency style, the plan number, the one used in calculations, is displayed in the formula bar. Now, we will change the number format for several cells to modify the way dates are displayed. Select the cells you wish to modify. Click the drop-down arrow next to the number format command on the Home tab. The number formatting drop-down menu will appear. Select the desired formatting options for dates. In our example, we will change the formatting to long date. The selected cells will change to the new formatting style. Don't worry if these signs appeared. It just wants to tell you that it is a narrow cell and need to expand so it can display all of the inside information. And to quickly expand it, double-click the separator line between the column headings. Another way to apply a number format is to use the Format Cells dialog box. On the Home tab in the Number group, click the dialog box launcher next to the number. In the category list, click the format that you want to use, and then adjust settings if necessary. Excel gives you a live preview of how the number will be formatted under sample. Another example in which a percentage style is required instead of typing fractions from cell C7 to cell I13. The percent each manager or worker participate in the project is written as 0.1, 0.2, a value from 0.1 to 1. 0.1 is equivalent to 10%. 0.2 is equivalent to 20%, and so on. 1 is equal to 100%. Select this range. No formatting for number is applied because the general style is shown here. Click the drop down list, then click percentage. The percentage style is applied, but it also applies at 2 decimal places. To decrease decimal places, click twice on Decrease Decimal Places button until you remove all the decimal places. If you don't like the look of this percent, you can replace it by using a fraction, but small numbers will return it to be 0. We need more adjustment for fractions. That can be done by applying the fraction from the dialog box and choose a specific type. We can use quarters, halves, eighths as we like. In these examples, I can use as 16ths or as eighths. One of the tips and tricks of Excel cell that if you use Excel to store long numbers such as credit card or bank card number, mobile numbers, you might find the number being changed to format you don't want, because all cells in Excel use the general format, and one of the limits of this format is that for numbers with more than 11 digits is converted to scientific or exponential notation. Another problem for mobile numbers or phone numbers that start with 0 at the left, Excel will remove or eliminate that 0. The best option is to use the text format, but apply the format before typing the data of the cell. Finally, I have one question for you. If you applied a number formatting to cells, how can you remove that formatting? Simply by applying general formatting. Any applied number formatting will be removed. To remove all formatting applied on the cell range from B3 to G9, simply click General. No specific format will be applied. Thank you for watching Edupedia World Videos. See you at the next video.